Good morning, guys. A nice and cozy morning. It's like before 8 o'clock. And the first thing I do usually is you have to walk out and bring your trash bin in. So, this I think is the recycles with the plastics and bottles. And they haven't yet taken it, so that truck will come later. So, I'm gonna do that later. But every morning when I get up, I pick up my newspaper, which is thrown over here. So some kid must be coming and throwing it in the front yard. And basically this is the New York Times, which we read. We've been reading it for years. So now I'm just going from the front to the back. So got my paper in hand, and I'm actually making this video because I've got some nice backyard shoes which are not new. I had them all the while, but I decided to use them as my backyard shoes. So first let's go put the newspaper back. And now we're in the backyard. We got a small rug there now, so slowly building the look and feel of the backyard. Let's leave the newspaper here for now. And the video is about this, okay? My two backyard shoes. So the first one is this Crocs sandal, which I love to wear in the backyard, and it's white. So it's very nice and light and waterproof, So you can wash them in the garden hose, do your gardening and everything. And this is size 12, which is what I wear. So I know buying a white Croc for a giant man like me is a little weird, but I like it, and they're really cool. And these were just like $30 or $35, so not that expensive from a US dollar standpoint. So when I sit out on those chairs, I sometimes wear the Croc sandals, which are really cool. Now the second one is more of a slipper, which is the Birkenstock EVA, EVA, Arizona EVA. So everyone knows Birkenstock has like leather ones and the cork sandals. I have a few of those. My size is 45, which is, I guess, sort of like a US 12 or 13. So these are really cool because again, they're light, they're plastic, and you can wear them on the deck or anything. Very comfortable, waterproof, and just nice to wash and everything else. So yeah, these are the Birkenstocks, and the white ones are the Crocs. So these are really what I'm going to be using outside for the backyard, and I'll probably take them in a bit, but just for now got these here. Just heading out, guys. So just an update on the Merc. This is the new tire, this one here. They put an exactly new tire and everything looks to be fine. I'm just heading out. Need to clear the storage unit, and this is my car setting seat. The seat, you just press number 1 here, and that's set to me. Darren's is 2 and Karishma's is 3. So mine is nice and laid back. Getting the seat organized, and then we'll hit the road. So obviously this is the car we keep in the driveway, just next to the garbage bins, but there's a lot of place actually. And the Jeep is in the garage with the bike because the Jeep has a soft top, which I don't want exposed to too much of outdoors. So the recycling bin is there, plastics and bottles, that is yet to be picked up. I think they come around 10-11. So I just added one milk carton to it. All the houses have their bins out. It's all structured. Every second Thursday is the plastics and bottles. Every Tuesday and Friday is the kachra or the waste. And every Friday again is the papers, cardboard. There's another bin, the brown bin for the papers and cardboard. It's it's so damn confusing, guys. I think doing an MBA was easier. Anyways, now it's in my memory. Karishma's confused, Darren is confused, but I think I've got it right. And if you don't know, just in the night, look at your neighbor, what dabba he puts out. You have to put the same dabba out at about 9-10 in the night. The next morning, early, they'll come and clear the garbage and the bottles and everything. Anyways, let's drive. It's getting hot in the car. Why do you want a dog? Who's gonna clean all the poop and look after the dog?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Don't lie.
No, I'm not gonna do it. The skin's coming off.
Okay guys, just to summarize, the black Birkenstock EVA sandals or slippers, whatever you call them, they are around $45. The reason they are cheaper than other Birkenstock is because they are plastic. Otherwise, Birkenstock are usually above $100. Let me just show you what I mean by Birkenstock. So these are one of my Birkenstock sandals, the Arizona. Now these are above $100, but these are because this is leather with a cork sole, and the black one I showed you in the backyard is plastic. It's waterproof. It's meant for the backyard, for swimming pools, even the beach. So it's about $45, and they're made in Germany. All Birkenstock are made in Germany, which is awesome, and that's why they're a little expensive. The Crocs, of course, are $30 to $35 depending where you buy at Amazon or other stores. $30 to $35, but they are made in China. So the Crocs, I mean, you get what you pay for. They may last you for 6 months to 9 months if you're rough on your usage. But Crocs are really popular. I know this singer, many singers like Post Malone and all that have their own line of Crocs, which really look cool and not very expensive either. So I may pick up some of those. But yeah, this is the video about my backyard footwear. I know, it's just sharing what I use. Karishma and the kids have their own stuff, what they use. But we're trying to be specific with the footwear we wear in the backyard or for hiking or to the beach or sports. Every activity you do, cycling, every activity you do has a specific footwear, which of course you can say you can wear one pair of sneakers for everything, which is also fine. That's a minimalist route. But I like shoes, and I have shoes for every activity, for every occasion. So yes. And guys, before I wind up, thanks so much for your lovely comments about the prom video yesterday. Darren had a lovely time at the prom with his girlfriend and friends. All of them were there, the school prom. And I think I'll put some pictures which I get later. I'll put them on Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram, Ryan Woodman 75. But again, the comments you guys wrote on yesterday's video were awesome. Talk about me being a great dad, Darren being cool, yevo. Amazing. So yes, it feels good to read your comments. I know there are videos on YouTube that get millions of views, but when you look at those videos, they are just so cringy and crap. But I may not get millions of views, but the comments, the likes, it's just amazing. That's what keeps me going to keep making these videos. So anyways, guys, please like, please subscribe, and have a lovely weekend. Take care. Bye.